Facebook, good evening. How are you all? I hope you're all well. This is a very extraordinary time for me to come on and do a Facebook Live, but I was given this as homework. So I thought I better come on and do my homework, my action step from Ray. And oh my goodness, Georgie's there with, yes, she's there with ice cream on her face. So how are you guys? I hope you're all well. As you're hopping on, mind you, it was really quiet before I jumped on, and now it's really, really loud. As you're hopping on, say hello. Don't be a stranger. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum, and I also have a home business. I just love inspiring people. And I just wanted to do a really quick live tonight about limitations, because a lot of people that I speak to, because I do a fair bit of coaching and I also have my own global organization. I have teams in the US and Canada and the UK and Australia and New Zealand. And other parts of the world, Germany, that when I speak with people, it's incredible how people are very, very quick to actually justify the reason why they're not succeeding. They're not succeeding. They recognize that there's something that's missing. They recognize that they're not achieving what they want to achieve, and yet when we sit down and we isolate like what their daily routine is, or what it is that they're actually incorporating in terms of habits or showing up every day, what I tend to find is that people go, oh, I'm not succeeding because of this, or I can't do that because of that, or they're winning because of that, right? And so what I wanted to say is that if you actually fight for your limitations, if you actually fight for the reasons why you are not going to succeed, then the chances are is that you will not succeed, right? And this is a profound mindset change, a profound mindset shift for people. For you to be able to really pave the way and have massive success, you have to ignore what any sort of perceived limitations or limits or, shortcomings that you may have that will not allow you to succeed. You have to just go all in no matter what. I mean, it doesn't matter that you don't have this, or it doesn't matter that this isn't perfect, or it doesn't matter that things aren't in perfect state. Right? But what does matter is your activity day in, day out, right? That's all that matters, right? And so my message to you guys, as we head into 2020, we're into like halfway into the month. So many people would have had New Year's resolutions. Most people by now are starting to drop off, especially those with health and wellness goals. And a lot of them would say, I'm too busy, or I don't have time, or parties are happening all the time, whatever. There's always something that comes into people's ways. And if you are that person that always keeps making excuses and always keeps referring to, I cannot succeed because of this, or I can't achieve my goals because of that, you will not achieve your goals. You're fighting for your limitations, and you'll get to keep them. But if you acknowledge that they're there, but you still do it anyway, you will win. And that's my gold nugget for you, is that do it anyway. Hashtag do it anyway. Persist. Continue until. Don't worry about the fact that the sky is purple and, I don't know, whatever it is that's your limitation. You don't have enough time. Make time. Get up earlier. Like for me, people that tell me they don't have time, I can find time in their calendar. I have an exercise that I do with them, and we find time. It's just that it's not a priority. I find that people that say, hey, I don't have time, it's just that whatever it is that they're making an excuse that they don't have time for, it's not a priority. Priorities are never in conflict, right? And so if it is a priority for you, you will make time. So anyway, guys, I hope that inspires you. Just know that your perceived limitations are there because you've created them. right? And all of these things are totally possible to overcome if you just acknowledge for what they are and just continue anyway. So many people just use just about anything to not get into action. So many people just use any opportunity to not reach their full potential and say, see, I didn't succeed because, or they succeeded because, and I don't have that, right? But really, we are all capable of greatness. Each and every one of us has it inside of us, but so many people are too afraid to actually tap into that and actually see how far we can go, purely because we just too afraid to fail. So anyway, guys, I hope that inspires you. This is a really, really quick live. I hope this gives you inspiration, and just know that 2020 could be anything that you want it to be. It's really completely up to you. I promise you. Take it from someone that's totally reinvented her life. So I hope you're having an amazing week, and I look forward to sharing some more nuggets with you this year. Take care. Bye for now.